In this video, you will see how sustainable luxury paper items are made using resources from these majestic elephants.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel as it brings you amazing eco-innovations like this one. This natural drying process is crucial for maintaining the fiber's integrity and strength. It prepares them perfectly for the next stage of production.
Guide it in slowly, watch the trunk. All right, secure the locks. Check the fiber consistency. We need the next batch for the boiler.
The textured cover adds a lot of character.
And it uses 20% less new fiber. Approved.
These earthy tones reflect our brand best.
Agreed. Let's send these specifications to the lab.
New pigment samples have arrived.
Purity test initiated for the okra batch.
Vat 3 is ready for the new batch. Start with this raw pulp batch for the new line.
This section is reserved for the premium line's initial stock.
New dimensions set for the stationery, ready for test cuts. This new sealant should give it an excellent feel.
All quality control measures are updated for the new premium product.
This batch looks excellent for the premium line.
Fiber integrity is superb. Pigment shows excellent adherence.
Excellent work on the engraving detail.
The packaging truly complements the product.
This truly embodies our vision.
The tactile feel is just perfect.
I think we've captured the essence perfectly.
The craftsmanship speaks for itself.
Every detail shines, just as we intended.
On board. This wallet truly embodies our commitment to sustainable luxury.
Our supply chain ensures complete traceability and ethical practices.
And the colors are all naturally derived.
Did you scan the last pallet?
Yes, they are all set for shipment to New York.
Cross-reference the manifest with the box labels. This one goes to section 3. Got it. Secure that corner first.
Did you verify the journal count for section B? Yes, cross-reference with the manifest. We are clear. This texture is unbelievable.
How is this made?
It's crafted from recycled elephant dung fibers, completely tree-free and odorless.
Perfect for my charcoal sketches.